guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY light box where most of my materials came from Dollar Tree except for this box from Walmart. The next thing I'm going to be showing you is a poster board that I did get from Dollar Tree for $1. And next is a box cutter that I just got from my grandpa, but you can also purchase from Dollar Tree. 2 desk lamps from Dollar Tree as well. Some white tissue paper from Dollar Tree, and lastly some tape from Dollar Tree, of course. So the first thing I'm doing right here is I'm mapping out where I'm going to cut my 3 section of this box, and this is one of the sides I'm cutting out right now. So to make this work, I am going to be cutting the 2 sides that have the handles like you see right here, and also cutting the top of the box. I am only going to be leaving the bottom of the box uncut because that's where we're going to put our products, and we'll be using the flap sides for other things later on in this video. Please enjoy my horrible box cutting. This is the first time I've ever used a box cutter, and quite honestly could not figure it out on this side. Towards the end it got a little bit better, but another thing I did not mention in this video is I am making this light box to show products that I am receiving to review on my YouTube channel, which I finally received a couple products, so you will be seeing those videos very, very soon. So we have finally cut an entire side. Yes, this is only one side. A lot of things going on. As you saw, my cat just exited the box. She loved the box, thought it was for her. Kids trying to mess up the video, but this is what each of the sides are going to look like. I am not filming the other sides, but this is what it will look like on both sides and the top of this box. Now we are going to tape one of these sides of the box. This will be where my background will be, so that's what that's going to look like, but we all know how to tape a box. But yeah, so now I am taking one of the flaps off. As you can see, my camera is on the inside, so we've already taped this. We are now taking that top flap off and throw it away because we don't need it. We are going to leave the 2 flaps for now, but we are going to take that bottom piece off. And next we're going to grab 3 sheets of tissue paper to hide our 3 holes, and I'm just going to be using some package tape that I got, so I'm cutting it to size so it's not all over the place. Try not to rip it. It's very important that you don't have rips in it. If it's on the edge where you're taping it, it's not that big of a deal, but you don't want your tissue paper to be ripped because it's very important not to have a rip. So we're now going to be taping it onto the back side, not the inside, but the back side of the box on all 3 sections. Next, we're going to be cutting our poster board. Now, this is not going to be the same for everybody. My box was 16 inches across. I did not want to overlap it or have it wrinkled, so I cut it to 15.5 inches. Totally depends on how small or large your box is. So the 15.5 inches might not work for you unless you have a 16 by 16 by 17 box like I did that I purchased from Walmart. So what he just did was draw a very straight line so he can cut it perfectly. We don't want it to be messed up at all because it's going to be our background for our light box. So this part is very important, so make sure you cut it completely straight. Now we're going to grab our packing tape and we are going to put it at the top of our poster board, and we are going to tape as close to the top. I didn't really want to tape to the very top because this is something you can interchange if you want to change the colors. You don't want to make this permanent. That's why we're not using glue or anything like that. So we can take this down and change our colors if we want to. And as you can see on the sides, I have those 2 desk lamps showing through, and this is what it's going to look like inside of the box with all those lights on. I would probably get better lights, but if you were on a budget and just need something quick, those 2 desk lamps from Dollar Tree will do just fine. But this is what it will look like, and in the next clip I will show you what it looks like showing a product. Okay guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. I'll see you next time.